Today we are looking at an advanced testing of the Bollinger Band Stops indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I have been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I'm constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader and give you access to our private indicators, as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. All right, as I said, today we are looking at an advanced testing of the Bollinger Bands Stop indicator. In the original testing, this was able to achieve a 66% win rate with 9 trades in the 1 year's time. So we did adjust the take profit and stop, and we did modify the time frame. So we dropped the time frame to a 12-hour time frame. We moved the take profit and stop, as you can see right here, cut it in half from the normal standard default. And so this particular indicator was pretty easy as far as how to trade it. It's very similar to the super trend indicator, parabolic SAR, and so on. And so we basically have these dots, green and red, and the arrows red and green that also match the dots. And then as it jumps from above price to below price, it changes color. So anytime we get a green arrow and the dot jumps below price action, that is a signal to go long. Anytime it has a red arrow and dot above the price action, then that is a signal to go short. And so that's how we tested it originally. That's how we tested it here on the advanced testing. And so we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 34 winning trades and 16 losing trades. And so that's going to put us at a 68% win rate. And so that will maintain the 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so this one definitely will stay on the yes list. If you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the strategy that we have developed here on the channel. I will link to it at the end of this video. You'll see a thumbnail pop up at the end with the video title that you can then click on and watch that strategy. It's a proven strategy, profitable strategy. We're constantly optimizing it and testing it on other markets, other pairs, other coins, and so on. It's a really awesome strategy. I highly recommend you check it out. All right, that's it for this video. We're going to cut it here, move on to the next video from here.